Hello, everyone. Everywhere you go right now in the market, everyone talk about a market crash. Now, yeah, are we gonna have a market crash or it's just a correction? I think, in my opinion, it's hard to tell right now if we're gonna have a market crash. For now, I don't see it yet. I think this is just a correction for a fair value of the market, trying to price in Fed raising rate for March, but everybody's so fearful and say that we're going to have a market crash. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to analyze for you what to look for in a market crash and what to do right now, in my opinion. Okay, as a trader, this is like a golden market for trader because you have so much volatility in the market up and down. As a trader, you want to see the market swing either directions, and that's going to make me a lot of money. Now, as an investor, at the moment, I don't do anything. I don't add any positions. I don't buy anything or I don't sell anything. I'm just going to leave it there as the way it is in my portfolio and let it ride out. Let it ride out. I don't think the market is going to crash yet um, because everyone's still waiting for the Fed decisions next month, which is going to be March. So right now, people are just rebalancing their portfolio, gotta take profit along. And as you know, March is a very volatile month for the entire year. All right, let's look at the S&P 500. This is the chart of the S&P 500. Got a couple levels to look at. On Friday, the market closed around 440. This is a pretty bearish candle. So next week, we will see what happened. The market might come down, test this area for 2430 area again before a push up higher, or maybe it's gonna push up higher into next week. Nobody knows, right? But we already have the earning coming out for Apple, Amazon, and these major tech companies. So the risk of the downside is a little bit outweigh the upside, in my opinion. So we might come down and test this area and then probably sideways for a while before the Fed. And we'll see what happens. So very important level to watch is going to be around 430, 430. We need to hold that area. If we cannot hold that area, we're going to flush down to maybe around 420 and maybe even lower in terms of SPY S&P 500. Now, at the same time, you see the VIX actually kind of coiling up right now. So if VIX needs to go down for the market to go up. So this is like a pattern here. So it's some kind of breakout here. So we'll see what happens next week. As a trader, you got to prepare either directions. I'm gonna make money no matter what direction the market goes as a trader, up or down. Up, which we're gonna go long, down, we're gonna go short. So that's pretty much. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple that's gonna go up higher, but reversing right on Thursday and Friday. It backtests into 168 area. And if this is a reversal, then it might go down even further into 165 area. Now, if 168 hold and push up higher, then you have inverted head and shoulder pattern. So either direction is going to be okay with me as a trader. Last but not least, I want to take a look at gold stock, GTX gold miner, right? Now, this is a very interesting development. Gold miner has been trading in this channel right here between 32 and 29 for the past almost 6 months, since August, kind of sideways. And now you see the volume coming in for the past couple of days. Push this one higher. There's the ascending triangle pattern right here. Now, if tomorrow GDX break above 33, then you know this is going to go back to 35 area. That's going to be a good trade tomorrow too, as I'm watching as well. So there's a lot of stock and bargain right now that you can take a look at. I can give you guys a couple examples. Let's take a look at Caterpillar CAT, right? This one is kind of sideways and it's coming up into 230, and then coming down to 200 right now, kind of sideways. It might push higher, right? In my opinion. Square is another buy maybe. I think it's kind of bottoming out into this 100 area. We'll see if it's pushed back up into 150 area. That's a high risk reward in terms of risk reward market. So anyway, back to the story. Are we gonna have a crash? I would say no, we're not gonna have a crash, not yet. And so what happened when the market next? Well, if we resolve the Russian situations, we're probably gonna go higher. And we're gonna have a Fed meeting in March in another month. So from now to March, a lot of volatility is gonna come in. But as a trader, you don't care what the market does. You always find a way to make money. So don't blame on the market, guys. The market is always there to take the money from the impatient to the give it to the patient trader. So have a plan and really trade the market. I only trade big cap right now because they're more predictable and more reliable versus the small caps. And it brings me consistent income every day. So I really like it. This market is a dream for traders, but you gotta be good. You gotta know what you're doing. Otherwise, you're gonna be burning so bad. I've seen so many traders got wiped out during this kind of correction right here, and then got wiped out again for the past couple of days if you go long. But you don't have to go long, you can go short. But there's a lot of strategy to do that. All right, anyway, enjoy the weekend, and I wish everybody a good week trading tomorrow. Take care. Adios. Out of here.